Yeah, try addition so. And I use minor scale. Na minor scale a scale it has this solemn sentiment. What's here as a real sad kind of vibe near the mouth. Na a very very powerful. And any probably the songs, especially most gospel songs are Baba and saying minor near mouth, which has sentiments in them. Okay. Tinayen chehono. Yeah, try addition so. Minor scale, yeah, types of minor scale, baby, but and then yeah, three mostly used, which are the melodic minor, the natural minor, and the harmonic minor. Now, and then you say, woman say, yeah, hack minor scale, no, and you get the concept, and then you apply it your way. All right. And I want to cry. You know, key C. Melodic minor and a equal C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B, and a C. This is ascending. Yeah, boy frequency with the quantity, so we are ascending the scale. Now, sa scale no ano. Yeah, boba ye chia. A natural minor. Oh, Baba, what here the notes are different. Oh, Bako anima, I say. Note as a woman, the third no, which is E, a beko aqua E flat. And see a normal major scale now, but then note as a woman, E no, which will become the E flat. And see a so what I say, yeah, Baba, a chair, in it here. Obako, any man, you say. Oh, Baba, what chair, you say. And so, Baba, what chair, a natural minor. Obako, any media, a melodic minor. Yeah, harmonic minor. Harmonic minor also at the same major scale now, but your best is you know I an E flat, not E no so I A flat into overconechi, E never conechi backward, semitone backwards. Na E no so aquanechi a semitone backwards. Patch your tears, yes, and T. here no so. And see, do, re, mo, fa, so, zi, ti, do. That is a harmonic minor. Melodic minor. That is melodic minor. Yeah, Baba Yachia, a natural minor. Okay. Make sure notes in and I realize they are all a E flat major scale and our mobile. E flat major scale. It is a bossy minor. Now, a biapasola, you can play E flat major scale. But then make sure say fashion trim say a C minor and a able. And T E flat major scale. Sorry. But I be C no. It would be C in the C near La Emma E flat. Fashion at here. Okay. Let's me about two screens so. I'm a wahoo. Ubeti so about hack then ye can know E flat major scale is a hack of the minor scales. Ubitimabo G sharp pentatonic. G sharp pentatonic. Nowadays A B T akahon the seventh note. Okay. And T bit my na me boy, you know, G sharp pentatonic with the 7th. And E flat major so ni. So basically, E flat and a mebo E flat major scale. But then I was say meditation say a C minor and a able. Nti hack back on no. Nti skills need the doors. But then I was so who say usua skill be a bit notes na go. No pick key notes no ewum. Say the be a usua no be easy amount. The usua be much easier and all apply so bit my fast and deft with it. All right. And see, that is it for today. Pacho, won't subscribe here, kindly subscribe. Na yenko your name and share the video. Na adisiano enye kama. Na yami aduma next time no. Yebisuya the chords of the minors, which is the minor chords in key C. Ushiya bibia na for key C, the natural key C. Na wahuna we na then you apply it on other keys. The same thing, the same shapes, the same formula. Okay, thank you and God bless you.